Today I'm going to show you how to bleed a master cylinder properly. You can call this bench bleeding. It's not on a bench, it's in the car. It's the same scenario, but basically bleeding the master cylinder free from air before you ever connect it to the slave cylinder. This system has no fluid in it at all yet, so we're going to add our secret sauce to it and get started. Look at that. Oh, just about pre-bled already. Now this car has the master cylinder itself mounted inside the car and a bulkhead coming out to the engine bay and then leading down to the transmission area. So looks like most of the air came out, so we're going to go ahead and bleed it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this punch to move the plunger in the quick connect in the line, and my buddy here is going to move the pedal to move the fluid through the system. So I've got the line pulled on this side of the frame rail for the moment, just so you can see it easier. This is an F-body line for one of our F-body master cylinder kits. And it's actually a universal line. You can purchase this now for your projects, your swap projects. Like I say, this one has a kit mounted inside, a pedal kit mounted inside the car, so pretty adaptable. Straightforward and simple. I'm going to hold this rag here to keep from getting brake fluid all over my hand. But are you ready?
Ready.
All right, so I'm just going to push the plunger in. If you can see that, see it right there. Just going to push the plunger in. He's going to push the pedal down. I'm going to let off on the plunger, and he's going to pick the pedal up. Okay, down.
Okay.
Up. You can see what I'm doing is I'm pushing the plunger in as he's pushing the pedal down. Once he gets it down all the way, I let the plunger back out, and then he lets the pedal up in that order. Down. Up. 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 All right, let me check my fluid and make sure that it's full. If not, okay. Top it back off, so now we're going to bleed it a little more. And down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Okay, that one looked pretty free of air. So go ahead and just lightly press on the clutch pedal. Does it feel firm?
Oh, yeah.
All right, don't push on it too hard.
Okay.
Does it feel? Let me feel it right here. Feels like it has just a little bit of air in it still. So let me top this off one more time, and then we'll bleed it about 3 or 4 more pumps. Get the level back down. Get a manageable spot. I've used about half a can of this already. Good thing I got 2. Okay, and again, down.
Okay.
Up. Down.
Okay.
Up. Down. Up. Okay, pump it just a couple of times.
Pretty firm down there.
Okay. That's pretty much it. Let's just do one more pump to make sure it doesn't have any more air in it. Down. Up. Well, that's it. So now this line is ready to be connected to the slave cylinder, and with the slave cylinder actually bolted in place and the transmission in, you can actually just plug this up, pump the pedal a few times, and there'll be no more need to bleed the system unless you have a speed bleeder added to the system.